So guys, this is part 2. And there is an alligator right there. There he goes. That quick. All right. There's another gator trail going back there. Like I said, this is why they call it Gator Hole Road. All right. Get out of here. Check all the birds. They all just flew into the trees. It's pretty cool. How quiet it is out here. Look at all the birds over there. All right. Continue on. We're almost at the end of the trail. See what Nicole's looking at. You can see where the alligator goes in here. Alligator. Man, he's beautiful. Right there. Two of them. See one with the mouth open? That guy with his mouth open. That guy.
Were you able to get him?
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah, get a good picture of that. That's beautiful. Great shot.
Don't do that often.
I'll leave my thumbnail. So Nicole and I have been wondering what piles up these mounds,
Pine needles.
and then goes to the bathroom on top of them. This is like a little area here. So Nicole looked it up on ChatGPT, and what did it say, babe?
It says panthers or bobcats scrape pine needles, throw the leaves with their hind feet to make a small mound. They urinate and defecate on it to mark their territory.
That's what we always thought it was. Like, we have several cats, and it's what cats do. And this is really a spot here, babe. Someone marking their territory. Wow. Finally. It's hard to see the mound, but there's a mound there. There's a mound here. Something's been marking its territory. Probably a bobcat. All right, finally got an answer. That's what I thought it was. All right, we continue on. Almost at the end. You can see where the hogs have just ripped this apart. Maybe this is why the bobcats like this area, babe. It is just torn up from hogs. Holy mackerel. Like a bomb went off. Yeah. This is all created by hogs. I want to get to that spot where it's open that I'm going to stop filming right now and get through this. I want to watch where I'm going. This has been created by wild hogs. Never seen it like this before. Nicole's heading back. I'm going to continue down a little bit more. And there's one spot I want to take a look at, and then I'm going to turn around and we'll probably call it unless we see something. All right. Look at that, guys. It's all created by wild hogs. This is why I'm armed when I come out here. And it clears out up here. I'm going to finish this thing up and we'll head back and meet Nicole. So I'm a good 6 miles into this trail right now. More hog. I'm tearing this up. Alligator up there. That's a log. There's a spot up here I want to look at. And after that, I'll begin heading back. It's going to open up here in a minute. It's now 11:30. This is part 2. It's going to open up here. This is a pretty cool little spot that I always like to see. I like to have a drone and go over this thing. Oh, big gator right there. Right there. Big. There's a baby going in. Must be a mother. Right there. Baby just went in. Here's this big open spot. See if I can see her face. Her head. There she is. You can see her tail. Another angle of her. You can see her tail right there. It just opens up here. I'd love to get a drone and go back here. Another gator right there. Oh, an alligator. Oh, it's a log. Isn't that stunning? Love to get back in there. You can see some footprints of something there. goes all the way back there. And that mother gator is over there. This is probably her stomping ground. I think she probably comes in here, goes in here. Gotta be real careful going into places like this. You can see the trail. Probably can't see it like I can, but it goes right through there. I'm not gonna take any chances and go any deeper and bother anything and get hurt myself, so I'm gonna exit out of here. It continues probably for another, I don't know, quarter mile up there and dead end. So I'm gonna head on back, catch up with Nicole. If I see anything cool, I'll stop filming. Looks like either hogs or there's a track here. Almost like a deer track there. A deer track almost. But something's going through here. You see how beautiful Florida is. I wouldn't want to live anywhere else. I love the wildlife here. I love the predators that live here, alligators. And there's Mama one more time. Wish I could see her face. She's buried in there pretty good. You have to look back there. You can see that this swamp area continues way back there. And there is a path going through there. And there she is again. She's hanging out. Beautiful that is back there. So she's been going back through there though. All right, my bike. I'm gonna have to push it through that torn up dirt that has been created by those hogs. Like I said, I've never seen that before. Again, why I'm armed out here. I don't want to come up on some sort of a hog and have to defend myself. Pretty cool so far today. We saw, I hope I got a picture of it, a coyote, snake, owl. I finally found out what that pine needle pile was with the scat on top. Bobcats, like if you have a cat, you know, cats cover their poop. All right, I'm gonna shut it down here because I don't want to fall again. We're 14 minutes into part 2 already. And I'm gonna head on down that way. If I see anything good, I'll come on back.